Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a full review of one of the most stylish and performance-driven SUVs in the luxury segment, the Maserati Grecale. If you're looking for a ride that combines Italian craftsmanship with everyday practicality, this might just be the car for you. Let's start with the exterior design. The Maserati Grecale is a stunning sight on the road. It captures the essence of Maserati's design language with its bold front grille, signature trident logo, and sleek LED headlights. The proportions are athletic yet refined, with a sculpted hood and aggressive lines that flow seamlessly across the body. The rear features stylish taillights and quad exhaust outlets that hint at the power beneath the surface. Whether you're parked or in motion, the Grecale exudes elegance and performance. Inside, the Grecale is a masterpiece of modern luxury. The cabin blends traditional Italian flair with cutting-edge technology. Soft leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trim create a sophisticated yet sporty atmosphere. There's a large central touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and even a secondary screen for climate control, giving the interior a futuristic feel. The seats are supportive and plush, and there's ample room in the back for passengers, which isn't always the case in sporty crossovers. The ambient lighting and premium sound system take the experience to the next level. Under the hood, the Grecale offers a choice of powertrains, from a mild hybrid four-cylinder to the high-performance Trofeo variant with a twin-turbo V6 that cranks out over 500 horsepower. The Trofeo is an absolute thrill to drive, launching from 0 to 60 mph in around 3.6 seconds. The handling is sharp, the steering is precise, and thanks to Maserati's all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, it feels planted through corners without sacrificing ride comfort. It's a true performance SUV that still works as a daily driver. As for pricing, the Grecale starts at around $65,000 for the base GT trim. The Modena sits in the mid-$70,000 range, offering a sportier look and a bump in power. If you're aiming for top-tier performance, the Trofeo starts just above $100,000. While it's not the cheapest SUV on the market, you're paying for Italian design, premium materials, and a badge that turns heads. That's it for today's review. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury car content. See you in the next one.